Alright, welcome lovely graphic designers. So today we are using AI to generate funeral poster entirely. So let's get started. So this is our master prompt and we are going to edit it. So first we go to the deceased name, we highlight it and then we delete. So we copy the new name, opening John Avamensa, and then we paste it here. We go to the next one, the sunrise. We change the year, the birth year. So this is the year 1952. We copy and paste it there. Always make sure you paste it in the middle of the bracket symbols. Then the sunset. We copy and paste. So we are going to insert the deceased image here. So we delete, then we put it inside the, so we drag it inside the bracket icon. Make sure always you fix it inside the brackets, in between the brackets. That's great. Now you make sure you fill all these spaces. List of chief mourners, the widow's name, the list of children, list of brothers and sisters. So you follow suit. Because of time, I've done all these already, so let's use it. We are using minus AI to do this. You make sure you save your documents, your master prompt, and then you drag and drop the save word document there. So we are going to tell the AI to generate funeral poster for me. Take the best inspiration sample from Pinterest. That's Ghana funeral poster. So let's go. Wow, so the AI has given us two different options. You can pick the one we want, and you also realize it has changed the name of the deceased. So you just have to prompt it back to maintain the same name given in the document. So you can scale it up, or you click on download, you download it. So we did this entirely using AI. I'll put the master prompts in the description box. Just click on it, I'll give you access to it. Now note that if the AI cannot pick the image or the deceased image in the document, upload it separately and that will work. I'm just Napa and I'm out.